Copeland. It's a 1999. It's a ZR57. There's a bunch of oil right here. It's the most strange I've ever seen. A lot of oil sitting on top of the scroll. That oil doesn't look too good either. The motor's not burnt. It has a bearing issue. It would pull about double its rated amperage up to 50 amps, and then the rotor would lock up, and then it would spin, and then it would lock up, and then it would go into overload. So let's see if we can see the bearing. Like I said, the motor's fine. It's just we caught it in time before it became a burnout. So we'll take the head off and take a look at the drive bearing and the bearing that sits in the middle. There's a bearing that sits down here, but that one's always in oil, so I don't think that one ever really gets any damage unless it's running extremely dry. Alright, I got all the bolts loose. Go ahead and take the top scroll off. Go ahead and drain the oil. Check the. They don't look too bad. That oil looks a little dirty. Yeah, looks like it's got a little copper plating. Yeah, this is worn. This bearing should be thicker. That's the drive bearing that sits under the scroll. And actually, I think this is what should be inside this scroll. The bearing surface. I think it somehow came off. Usually they stay in there. I think they're pressed in there. This is to stop it from spinning backwards. Oh, look at all that copper. Wow. It's a chunk of copper. Right there. Bunch of copper.
Oh shit. Damn. When did you get here?
Like at 8. This should be pressed in inside of here, and then this bearing goes in here, and it should spin nice and freely, but it's not. A lot of copper.